Hey everybody, it's SuperGirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are going to be sprucing up a plain pumpkin and making it a little bit more personable. I started off by using Cricut's new monogram feature, and I scrolled through the various kinds, and once I found the one I liked, added the particular initial I wanted, which you go ahead and put them up at the top. I put B, you select which font you like, go ahead and add it to canvas. Now I made sure that both the design and the letter were the same color, and I went ahead and changed it to be the correct size. I had to finagle it around a little bit just to make it right. Once you have everything how you want it, go ahead and select everything and click attach. And you click attach so that when you go ahead and click make it, it all stays where it should. Then once that's ready, go ahead and click continue. Go ahead then and click vinyl. And once everything is set up, we'll go ahead and click OK. I laid out the pumpkin and the vinyl I wanted to cut and put it to work. I went ahead and weeded the design, which was fairly reasonable, I will say. Then went ahead and took some transfer tape and placed that right on top. And you want to make sure you use your scraper. Some people use a roller, whatever have you. Get all the air bubbles nice and out, and it should lift right on out, which I must admit is very satisfying. Now, just like a little tattoo, you go ahead and place it on where you want it. And this can be a little tedious, but as long as you're patient and you use your scraper tool, it should come out just right. And with a little elbow grease, I think it turned out really well, and it's all ready for fall. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And go ahead and drop a comment below on what you want me to make next. I will go ahead and attach the link to this particular design in the description below. As always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.